Now, folks, look at SharperTrades. The market going higher today. Kept up. As long as this conflict between Iran and now the United States is not escalating, which at the moment it isn't. Market is bullish, and today testing the high was 608. The all-time high is 613 on the spot, so it's possible we'll test it tomorrow. Support is now 603 and 595, which comes somewhere around the 21 SMA, and then 587. Strong technicals resistance again 613 and 620. CCL reported earnings, a big move today. Hit the target, did a pullback. The target was somewhere around 26 when as high as 26.52. Now we spot a large dark pool activity, something to watch. If it breaks to 27 and hold the target at 28, 30, and 32. Currently bullish. Let's see if we get some follow through, especially if we draw some kind of trend line through these levels. It is a breakout with volume, but it will need confirmation. Anyway, it looks bullish. Intel, strong day. There wasn't really a particular news other than the market is lifting. Something happened post-market. Intel. Norton sees Intel gaining ground on TSMC. That's the Taiwan semiconductor manufacturer. Eyes geopolitical tailwinds as potential catalyst. So something going on with the Taiwanese company, some potential partnership. Good technicals have improved, even though the CEO is selling shares like it's garbage, but price is moving up. So the 20 SMA and the 80 SMA are the support. If you're swinging, this is a swing idea. 24, 26, and 28. STNE new swing initiated on the was a swing idea last week when it did this breaking out of this rectangle. Did a pullback retest over the past few days. Today popped nicely, following the market, but also a technical breakout of the recent high. Targets are 1620, 1790, and 1770. The support for this 1480 and 14. TOST, keeping on this one, looks intriguing, good consolidation. We covered a few weeks ago. It's very volatile, but this current setup looks bullish to me. We'll raise these ones. In fact, I'm going to make a little bit. Looks like an ascending triangle extended, almost like a pennant ascending. Right? If it pops this eye, 45, 60 is bullish, 48, 52, and then 56. Support 88 and 42.
So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.